ಹಲೋ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್, ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಹಾಕಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂತಹ ವಿಡಿಯೋಗೆ ಒಂದು ಥಂಬ್ಲೈನನ್ನು ಮಾಡೋದು ಹೇಗೆ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಹೌ ಟು ಮೇಕ್ ಥಂಬ್ಲೈನ್ ಇನ್ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ. ಸೊ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಆಡಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಅಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಬೈ ದ ಥಂಬ್ಲೈನ್. ಅಂದರೆ ನೀವು ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಥಂಬ್ಲೈನ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಆ ಥಂಬ್ಲೈನನ್ನು ನೋಡಿನೇ ಆ ವಿಡಿಯೋನ ಚೂಸ್ ಮಾಡುವಂಥದ್ದು ಈಗ ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಒಂದು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬರ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡುವಂಥ ಕೆಲಸ. ಸೊ ಇಫ್ ಯುವರ್ ಥಂಬ್ಲೈನ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೋರ್ ಅಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟಿವ್ ದೆನ್ ದ ವ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಮೋರ್. ಸೊ ನೀವು ಥಂಬ್ಲೈನನ್ನು ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಇದಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ಸ್ಗಳಿದ್ದಾವೆ. ದೇರ್ ಆರ್ ಪ್ಲೆಂಟಿ ಆಫ್ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಅಮಾಂಗ್ ದೋಸ್ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ಸ್ ಐ ಚೂಸ್ ಒನ್ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಹಿಯರ್ and I give the link of this application in the description box. You can take and download from the Google Play Store. So yes, now you can start how you can do the thumbnail by your in your mobile only. So you can click on this icon. After that, for the YouTube purpose, you just choose here. It is a create first option, and then you go to the 16:9. Okay, this is what specially for YouTube. And after that you can make you can take from gallery from your photos, or you can take from your camera, or you can take any colors, or you can choose any backgrounds like this. Here so many backgrounds are there, so you can choose any one background, or else you can take any one color. Here it is, so your favorite color. So now I choose one color. Yes, it is okay, light yellow color. Right, click, and another step is right mark. Okay, now it is ready. Now you can add the text here from text. Okay, click the text, your text headline. Okay, it is headline, and you can arrange it where you want to, and also make background. So click the background, I will show again. So click on it. Okay, and here it is a background. Yes, right. And you can choose the color also. Here it is a background, and it is a background C, and this option also. So multicolor in a single. So it is your headline. So you can choose your best one. Right. Okay. And go to the next line and add again text. You can add your subtitle. So subheading also, and you can add the image by clicking the image. So from your gallery, or as from my gallery, you can choose any one image. So you can put the image also. So the image must contain the whatever the content inside the
incoming call video. From Ken.
So you can adjust which image do you want to set in your video. So now I just take an example here and select wherever it is necessary, and also you can adjust the headings also like this. Yes, you can put the image like this. So you can choose in your own way. After finishing your adjustment, you can select this download button, and you can download it, and it is saved in your gallery. So after that you can go to the YouTube Studio, and you can edit your thumbnail. So I will also show that one. So select the video which you want to edit the thumbnail. So in YouTube Studio you can choose the particular video, and here is the pencil mark. Click on it, and after that, so here another pencil mark is there, and you can edit your headings or any title given to the video, and you can click on the thumbnail. So here it is another option, change. So click on it and select from the image. Here it is the image we can already take in our gallery. So yes, after choosing this one, you can click on the done and then save. So after saving this, the thumbnail is changed. So all the viewers or subscribers attracted by the thumbnail only, you can make your good thumbnail and get more views. Okay, thank you.